Is it iFunny or let's listen to the whole thing. My bit. Oh, it's iFunny. Well, paper 3D.
Like I'm their personal pudding cup. There's this one zombie I see almost every morning. He's usually dribbling his coffee and eating a donut. Do zombies eat donuts with their fingers, you might ask? No, they usually eat their fingers separately. The school crossing guard? She can stop traffic just by holding up her hand.
With her other hand.
Are there really zombies on my way to school every morning? Of course there are, but only inside my head. Only in my wild imagination. I guess you could say I try to see the funny side of any situation. You should try it sometime. It makes life a lot more interesting. So, how did I end up here in this zombified suburb not too far from New York City? Well, that, my friends, is a very interesting story. Chapter 2. Stranger in an even stranger land. I moved to Long Beach in Long Island
Andre!
a couple months ago from a small town out in the country. I guess you could say I'm a hick straight from the sticks. To
Look
make
at
my
this.
long story a little shorter, Long Beach isn't my home, and I don't think it ever will be.
Look.
Have you ever felt like
You know cars? On this CarCraft game? Watch this.
You're sort of stuck there? Well, that's
Wait, why are you
exactly how I feel.
'Cause
each
I
and every
unlocked
day
it.
Since I moved to Long Beach. Moving to a brand new town also means I have to face a brand new bunch of kids and bullies at my brand new school. Now, like all the other schools I've ever attended, the hallways of Long Beach Middle School are plastered with all sorts of no bullying posters. There's only one problem. Bullies, it turns out, don't read too much. I guess reading really isn't a job requirement in the high-paying fields of name-calling, nose-punching, and atomic wedgie yanking. You want to know the secret to not getting beat up at school? Well, I don't really have scientific